Welcome to Imagination Story Station.
Hear the sound. Trains are coming to the station all around.
Red, blue, green, and yellow, they are all so bright, tooting horns and shining lights. Train station, fun to play. Trains are coming every single day. All aboard, don't be late. Train station, it's so great. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuugg, hear the sound. Trains are coming to the station all around. Conductors waving, engineers too. All aboard, the train is waiting for you. Through the tunnel, over the bridge. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuugg, what a thrilling ride. Choo-choo trains on the track, rumbling loud, right back. Carrying toys and treats too, for all the kids who love trains true. Toot toot, train is here. Fun and play are crystal clear. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuugg, wheels so bright. Train toy fun, day or night. Red and blue and green and yellow, trains of all colors come and follow. Through the tunnel and over the hill, train adventure standing still. Toot toot, train is here. Fun and play are crystal clear. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuugg, wheels so bright. Train toy fun, day or night. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuugg, train is near. Toot toot toot, it's time to cheer. Wheels are turning, engines bright, taking kids on a delightful night. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuuggaa Chuuggaa, through the land of dreams so free. Toot toot, the train is chugging, just wait and see. Imagination railway station is the final stop, where dreams come true and fun never drops. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuuggaa, all aboard, don't be shy. Toot toot, ride the train and touch the sky. Chuuggaa Chuugg Chuuggaa Chuuggaa, train is here, taking kids on a joyful year.